Frigid morning for millions as the east braces for another snowstorm.
Yeah, it could bring up to a foot of snow and some strong winds to the mid-Atlantic, especially to the Carolinas. They're in the danger zone here. At least 85 deaths have been blamed on extreme weather already. Most of them are in the south, where more than 220,000 people have power outages. They're being reported 6 days after the storm now. People in Tennessee lining up for food, while farther north, emergency crews in Pittsburgh braved freezing waters to rescue a woman whose car drove into a river. The Pittsburgh Bureau of Emergency Medical Services thanked the crews there for their service.
I cannot say enough about the divers. It's sub-zero temperatures out there, and they actually had to dive through the ice.
The storm moving up the East Coast this weekend is expected to hit the Carolinas very, very hard with blizzard conditions and up to a foot of snow in some of those areas. And Matt, this is not necessarily going to impact us, but we are still going to feel that Arctic chill that's associated with this.
Oh yeah, these temperatures are still no joke. Another day below freezing for us here in Kentuckiana. We're going to be pushing almost 2 weeks of temperatures below freezing for us as we go into this weekend. So right now 19 degrees in Louisville, but not far from us over in Indianapolis. They're at 2 degrees. So that type of air is going to slowly make its way towards us later into the day. We're at 3 degrees in Scottsburg, 9 degrees Madison, 19 Louisville, 20 Elizabethtown, 8 degrees in Bedford. So notice just across the Ohio River, quite the difference in temperatures. They're feeling rather cold as well. -7 there in Seymour, 3 degrees Scottsburg, 13 in Shepherdsville. Here's a look of the city right now. This view brought to us by U of L Health and Bachman Auto Group. Cloudy skies today, feeling sub-zero by tomorrow morning, and those light snow showers still in the forecast as we go throughout the rest of our day. We're already seeing some of those light snow bands farther off towards our south. They're continuing the weekend a bit as some dry air starts funneling their way into them. So a few flurries for you folks there in Elizabethtown and also near Litchfield and Campbellsville this morning. We're going to see that activity begin to break apart later into our morning hours, but these cloudy skies still remain continuous across Kentuckiana. Notice how those clouds are continuing to flow their way farther to the south. We're going to continue staying under cloudy conditions for today, tomorrow, and of course, cold weather. This cold weather advisory around until 1 p.m. tomorrow. And we're also keeping this weather impact alert in place for today and tomorrow morning as we expect a few light snow showers, but also sub-zero wind chills in the forecast for our Saturday morning. So it's definitely going to be a slick start to the morning time. Make sure you're using caution. Stay up to date with us with the free WHAS 11 app. Throughout the rest of the morning time, as I mentioned, those snow showers start breaking apart farther to our south. Into the afternoon, we could see some of them try to rebuild, but most of us are going to remain cloudy throughout our Friday afternoon and evening. Past 5 p.m., I'm still going to expect the possibility of a few very light scattered snow showers. They'll continue breaking apart throughout Saturday morning, but also the arrival of intense cold. By 12 p.m. Saturday, temperatures will still be struggling to reach the teens. And as we head throughout tonight into that 7 p.m. hour, temperatures will feel like the single digits entering the nighttime by 11 p.m. If you have any plans, keep in mind it's going to be very chilly. We're going to have temperatures that still continue to stay below zero for the feels like, especially into Saturday morning. We could be feeling 5 to 10 degrees below zero for our Saturday. So as I mentioned, we do have a few of those very small snow showers for our southernmost counties near Elizabethtown, south of Brandenburg, near Litchfield. So they could see a trace amount to an inch of snowfall from those. The rest of us still have the possibility of seeing a trace amount from some of those scattered light snow showers. Otherwise, I'm not expecting anything more than a ½ inch for the rest of us just towards the north of Elizabethtown. Check out the next 7 days. Cold weather continuing well into the weekend. Monday includes chances for a few flurries. Tuesday evening, we'll start seeing showers developing across Kentuckiana, and that's going to lead to a wintry mix likely for our Wednesday as we see below freezing temperatures once again. But Tuesday is going to be our day that we are a few degrees above freezing.